Creatify free trial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Creatify AI for free. The Creatify free trial is a free plan, which users can test out its features by creating a limited number of AI-generated marketing videos with basic functionality before get a paid subscription. And in this video, I'll show you how to get a Creatify AI free trial. I add a link in the description. Click on it. With this link, you will get some free credits to start using Creatify without add any credit cards. Now click on Sign In option. Sign up process is really easy. In the next step, you can use your Google account to sign up easily. And this is the main panel of Creatify. If you look here, you can see you get 10 credits to use the starter feature of Creatify and try making videos. You can also download the videos with this credits. If you like using Creatify, you have to upgrade your account. You can use the coupon code I add in the description to get your favorite pricing plan with the best discount. With this code, you will get up to 75% discount. I hope you enjoyed this Creatify free trial.